Wow.
One little button. Hey, just to let you guys know, we just found a button that allows us to say GoPro stuff.
It's like Alexa.
Yeah.
But it's on a GoPro.
I'm actually apprehensive to even say it because it may just shut down.
It needs to be a clapper, so like.
Yeah. Oh, I got one of those in my room.
I'll
God,
my bedroom. Just turn the lights on.
Yeah. Oh, it turns other things on.
the magic fingers.
You get lay down and you're like, awesome.
Well, welcome.
Welcome
to
the FASTBACK Monday.
FASTBACK Monday is here. We go. FASTBACK Monday.
Yeah.
It's such a hot FASTBACK Monday too.
Oh boy, summer got here, didn't it, boys?
It got here quick.
It's only gonna. I was looking at the thing and it says 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100.
Yeah, it's that time of the year.
I was just talking to Eric Wills. He sent me his. It's like 70, 77, 76.
Y'all don't know what it's like. It's if some of you guys in those upper climates, it's stifling, man, down here.
If only someone had an air conditioner in their garage.
Oh.
They could turn on. Cool it down.
Oh, it could be on right now.
Hey, I did put in my request for it to be 74.
Tommy Tommy texted it. Could you please have their shop at 74 degrees?
Yeah, that didn't. No.
I know. And if I was going in and out, if I wasn't going in and out, I guess we put this in here because we lost everything.
Oh no, we just go in that door over there.
That's why I wanted you to put it in earlier today.
Yeah.
Well, it was just me and Willie, and so he doesn't push or drive very good.
All right, so today we're going to work on some brakes and hopefully get that buttoned up, and then we're also going to try to work on some electrical. Yep, and we have some giveaways to finally get done. Part of it was Super Clean. They reached back out to us and they said, for one of you guys to say something below with the word super and clean in there. It doesn't have to be in that order. It could be clean and super. And then we're going to choose somebody. I'm going to get with you to get your name and your address, and then Super Clean is going to send directly to you.
Direct ship.
Direct ship. Yep. Hands-free shipping from us.
So
Martin doesn't have to ship something.
That's nice. Martin's happy he doesn't have to go to the post office. He doesn't have to go postal on us.
Yeah.
So thanks to guys at Super Clean. Y'all know that we believe in this stuff. We use this all the time.
Well, yeah, we ran out quick because
we
used it so much.
Yeah.
What we cleaning? It was like.
I'm gonna clean these wheels here in a minute.
It was that Gia Will It Run.
Yeah.
We sprayed the Everlemon. It turned out good.
Cleaned it up amazingly. Yeah. So the look for the purple bottle from our friends at Super Clean.
Super Clean. That's super rad. And then we also a few episodes back we did the Pertronics, and Pertronics had sent us a coil and a T-shirt to give away to somebody. So we should give that away while we're doing it too. So if you're mentioning Super Clean, also mention Pertronics in there somewhere below. You can do multiple line items, and we're going to choose one of you guys, and we're going to get with you your information, and we're going to send it out. A coil, a 3-ohm coil, which is great for anything, and a Pertronics T-shirt that they had sent for us to give away to you guys.
Yeah, there's no limit of entry, so they can comment like 50 times.
Yeah.
And it just might come up.
The more you comment, the more you get.
Yeah, because that's exactly how it happened.
So this is the
well, no, that's not
coil. That's not the coil there.
Yeah.
Is it Pertronics?
Oh, here's the shirt.
Oh no, then we got something else.
And then on top of that, our friends in
Kearney, Nebraska, at Precision Imports.
Precision Imports sent us a handful of shirts to give away, and just wanted to get a shout out to those guys and mention them below, and I'll send you out a shirt. I have an XL and a few larges, I think is what I got in there.
Nice.
Yeah, I have a handful of choices in here, so I'll give away a couple of
What's
them.
on the front?
Just their logo, the VW logo.
A pocketed shirt.
So let's get started working on this, guys.
Let's go. Make sure as we work on this fastback, or any Type 3, this is our first one. So if you guys are Type 3 experts or you had some experience, please comment some like little things that we might be missing on, or little shortcuts or something like that, because it is a little different.
If you have a stash of Type 3 stuff, let us know also, because we are needing some stuff. Especially right now, we're fighting an ignition problem in that little cylinder. We don't actually have one, and we may need one. So we're going to test that out. If you've got one, talk to us about it. If you got anything, see if interested. And that's VW@gmail.com.
VW Live VW.
Yep.
All right, let's go.
problem was our key wasn't turning, so our tumbler was bad.
Yeah.
Get it out, and then you can see here that someone had gotten it out before and broke off where that little set screw
Oh,
is.
shnikes.
And so how did he fix it?
They just pinged it.
He pinged it in. Well, I need this out
They need the electrical
to put the
portion
new
out,
tumbler
the
in
ignition
because
switch, it comes in from
who knows? Is that, I don't know. That's type 3 stuff.
You don't know?
2 pieces.
2 pieces.
Why isn't it 1 piece?
Oh, it's
I don't
because
know,
it's a type 3. It should be 3 pieces.
God, I don't know.
Oh, including the key, it is 3. See, that's why they call them type 3 right there.
Yeah, that's why they named it. Yeah.
That's
I don't know.
why we now know the mystery of why Volkswagen call them type 3. Great. All right, never mind. I digress. All right, so let's get a part number off that housing because I think I saw one on there.
Yeah.
Can you read that at all?
God, no. Let's see. Let's see.
It's going to start 3.
133
311.
311 905. I have no clue. Man. Got it. So now I need a sharp. So you think you got it, Gary?
Well, I don't know. Hopefully,
What's this gonna be? Third time?
third time to charm.
Third time.
That's always the way it is. So, you know they make a fancy little tool to put these guys on.
I tried your way the last time.
You can't do my way?
No.
Really?
I have the cupped one that has the thing on it.
Yeah, you got the fancy tool.
I got a Craftsman.
So I just put my slip joint pliers on the broad slip, okay, and have my guy here, my little pin up and down, and so it goes in and then twist,
You make it look so easy.
just like that.
Yeah. It's because you do it like once a week. Just so you don't get rusty at it.
I just take brakes apart just to, like,
Yeah.
you know what? I think I need to put this together.
You probably have like a brake, like a demo brake set up in your bedroom before you go to bed.
Every night. Probably be easier to get it because I can't see that one.
One side goes to the right, one side. I don't know.
I'm gonna say.
I think it's the side you hook and the
I
side you
think that.
don't
Yeah,
hook.
I think it goes like because it gives you a little easier to hook
Yeah.
like that. That would be my
It's a weird
guess.
setup because that spring actually sits.
Yeah, it's not
in an
kind
angle.
of cattywampus. Diamond Edge DE 725Bs. I've got these at an estate sale. Look, they're like, feel out the heft on those.
Oh yeah.
They're just good weight. You never know, garage sales and stuff, you just find some old, just good tools. Like mostly like pliers and stuff, it's good pliers. You can't, pliers, they're junk. Uh-oh. Part left over.
Comes off the master.
All right, moment of truth. Ta-da! There was much rejoicing. the 68 Fastback. Martin, your honor. I kind of already jumped the gun.
Oh, you did.
Sorry, Martin.
We'll double scratch it for everybody.
Double scratch, and
Okay.
then
We went through the front brakes.
yeah,
We found out we need a speedo cable.
yeah, we do.
Oh, and we need to. Oh God, I can't do this.
Under.
Undercoat fenders.
Oh yeah. Undercoat fenders.
Oh, that's terrible writing.
Okay.
Okay. There's a dog behind me.
Well past your foot, well hauled. Clean up master cylinder.
We didn't do that. I don't think we're doing that because this seems to work.
Scratch it through. Oh, sorry, I got some oil on my boss.
Okay.
Suitcase for rack, spring, paint rear luggage rack, battery, install seat belts, patch headline, hood latch, deck lid latch, paint under hood, install front bumper, rear, cut and buff, window
We
scrapers.
did this last time, didn't we? We gotta go through it again, I guess.
Yeah.
What do you mean?
All the lights work.
No.
So we've had a good night tonight. We got lots of done, didn't we, Willie? Willie, can you sit? Nah. You're a good shop dog. Catahoula leopard dog. So
Catalina wine mixer.
yes. So boys,
Hey, I think the back brakes are complete. And they
We have to bleed a little more.
we actually got way ahead because we chased our tail on those brakes.
we've chased our tails with other things.
Yeah.
The brakes were just sort of telling us that they weren't the right.
Hey, make sure about you mentioned Super Clean and Petronics and our friends at Precision Imports because we got some giveaways today.
Yes. Giving
So that's
away
really cool.
stuff. Trying to get caught up on our giveaways.
Yes, so we love you guys for doing that. Most importantly, tell your aunts, tell your uncles, tell everybody you know about VW Life. This car is going away in October.
Yep.
Yeah, it's on its way to be cleaned up and spruced up and ready to be raffled off and purchased for a $10 raffle ticket.
For this, Hamilton.
Oh, that is
Okay.
Oh, Alexander Hamilton. Oh, that's my cousin.
Your cousin's on a $10 bill.
My cuz is on a $10 bill.
Yeah.
Cousin Alexander Hamilton. One Alexander Hamilton and this car can be yours. That's how it works.
Yep.
Impressive.
So,
So we'll get back to it
yes,
next Monday.
Fastback Monday. Stick with us. We got lots of other stuff coming up. June Bug Rally. You're going to see that.
Tommy's going racing.
Tommy's
Oh,
going,
I'm
oh
racing.
yeah, boogity, boogity, boogity. Let's go
Yeah.
racing, boys.
Yeah, so what I did the other day, which was pretty cool, is I was running these Genberg. Genberg. Berg, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
Not B,
Genberg.
not B-U-R-G.
Not B-U-R-G.
Remember that shifter we had?
Who ended up with that thing?
Oh, I don't
The
know.
Gene Bird.
Yeah, it was awesome.
I have it.
Oh, yeah?
You still have it?
It was Mike's,
spelled
wasn't it?
G-E-A-N.
It was Mike.
Yeah,
B-U-R-G.
And then Mike painted it cream, right?
Oh, we did. We painted it.
That's
That's
why I
super
have that.
legit.
Oh, it looks good, huh?
Yeah. So I have these Berg multi-step vents. They're 3540s, and they were working really good. And I went with 3742.
Oh, 3742s.
Nothing but the best. Yeah. I reached out to Josh Hunnell over there at Air Cooled Dyno Works. He does really awesome distributors and stuff. We'll soon get it to clean up a distributor for you.
okay.
No, I know I'm capable of doing that for you.
My 010.
Yeah, so Josh sent me some the other day so I can prepare for this race July 15th at Red Line. So
Red line on Interstate 30 east of Big D. And we don't mean Dallas. We do mean Dallas.
I actually
What day is that?
know.
June?
July
July.
15th.
But please do spread the word and thank you guys for everything. And check it out. All Metric Garage for
Garage.
Garage. Hi to our friends.
Garage.
Garage. Our friends.
Marcus is like garage.
Garage.
Marcus told us our Slaughterhouse
Garage.
Custom.
Yeah, so if you need
Yeah.
Vanagon stuff, go to them.
Oh, yeah.
Slaughterhouse Customs.
Oh, they're growing
Dot
leaps and
UK.
bounds over there.
Yeah, they got a
Garage.
lot of stuff.
Garage.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, make sure you look under the bonnet.
Ah,
Yes.
those guys.
And they don't know how to spell tires.
Oh yeah, they spelled it with a Y.
Yeah.
Yeah.
it's the same.
I don't know why.
I don't need.
Yeah.
Oh, but I punch. Oh. You guys are awesome. Spread the word, and we got lots coming up. We got the Volkswagen Shop Summer Series going on, so we're going to various shops. So check out some. That's going to be come up on some of the episodes, and boy, there's all kinds of stuff going on this summer. So stay with us. It's happening.
We're making it happen.
All right.
Magic.